everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. This video is a collaboration with Kel from If It Ain't Cheap, I Ain't Buying It. Go check out her channel and give her a big subscribe and thumbs up if you haven't. And same way with all the ladies in the playlist of hashtag Be My Boo for 22. I hope you enjoy my video. It's a little different take on Valentine's Day. You could use this tablescape easily for a birthday, anniversary, wedding, even an engagement party. But I thought I'd do something different. Everybody does reds and pinks for Valentine's Day. This tablescape is purple and pink. And I hope you enjoy my video. Okay, here's the tablescape with the candles lit. Y'all know I always forget to light those candles. And there's our napkins. Okay, here's our tablescape. This is a Valentine's Day tablescape, but this could easily be used for a birthday, anniversary, even a wedding. So let's get into, I'll show you what it is. First, we started with this very sparkly purple tablecloth. And this is our dishes. I found these at the thrift store. And I love this plate. It's got like pinkish, purplish roses in it. And our next plate is just a white one. And then I did silver to contrast the tablecloth and to give a little sparkle. Our napkin, it's a rose, a purple rose. And then our napkin holder is a ring. That's why I said it could be easily an engagement or a wedding or even a proposal dinner. And then I have this, it's Sweet on You. And this is Cinderella's carriage. And I filled it with purple flowers and pink flowers. And I use wisteria as like a table runner down the table. And I added the little silver candles. And on our cake stand, I added this teacup. On the cake stand, I added a few more of these. They're in the napkin rings, but they look like rings. I added purple and pink flowers. And this purple and pink teapot. And a sign that says, "Hello, love." And of course, some little doilies. And then wisteria flowing down the table as like a table runner.